Hello. Wizard is here, and today I'd like to walk you through the process of solving Lookup box with TryHackMe. It's also a relatively new box, 2 days old, so I guess no more intro, let's go. At first, we export the IP, and hostname is lookup.thm. You can get it from an nmap scan. To not waste your time, I have it in here in scan.txt. Tab scan.txt, and as you see here, there it is. It redirects us to Lookup.TryHackMe and has two ports open, 22 and 80. Let's now open on port 80, so let's go Lookup.TryHackMe. It also automatically can redirect you to www.lookup.TryHackMe, but still, let's go. Is it running? Yes, it's running. Yes, I did choose the correct VPN. Oh yeah. Nano / etc / hosts and sudo. Save. Machine belong root. That file. Also, a little spoiler here, never mind. Close, and let's go. Lookup.TryHackMe. You will now have to wait for a second for it to run, for it to be up. Yes, machine is up. Quick sneeze. Yep, there it is. It's just something with my TryHackMe. Let's go here. And yes, as you see, we get a login page. There is nothing more about it. The only interesting thing is that if we type in something random and then send this, it gives us message wrong username or password. Yet, if we try type, for example, admin, it gives us wrong password, which means we can enumerate usernames on this page. In the meantime, I wrote a custom Python script for it. It's called login_brute.5. I'm gonna share it on my GitHub for everyone to use. So let's Python login brute with exhaust options, so to brute force as much as we can, or we can just remove it. And using this word list, yes, continue. Have username admin, and let's wait. We have our user called Jose. We don't have to continue anymore. Well, with this user, we can brute force his password with Hydra. Dash username Jose. Then you use RockU word list. Brute force host, so Lookup.TryHackMe. Host form to here, because that's where our login form leads. Here, the login PHP, it sends the request there. Then parameters, username, user, and password pass, and that's the message that we should get when password is not correct. Let's hit enter and let it run. Going to run for a second, but I can speed it up for you. because password of Hydra is going to give us back as password 12347 password 123. That's this. We log in. We find ourselves in elFinder. elFinder is a utility to manage your files. Also has one fairly important factor. Yes, as you see, look at the type. TryHackMe, login Jose, password 123. We don't really have to focus on anything apart from this little eye here. This is the info and this little question mark because it gives us elFinder. It's version 2.1.47 and all the versions for 2.1.48 have one significant vulnerability which can be found in Mathploit. Let's launch it. Can we show it there? Search exploit elFinder X. It's this one. It's exit from command injection. It's gonna load a while. Let's go. Let's wait for a second. Now, search elFinder. It should retrieve us this. Let's use for fun. No options. We have our hosts, our port, vhosts. Right, let's set our host to null 0, so our VPN. Then let's set our hosts to our IP address, which is like 1010 to minus this. Yours will definitely be different. Then let's also set vhost to Lookup TryHackMe. We have to have everything ready. Can now type run. Target's not vulnerable. What do you mean target's not vulnerable? No options. We are pretty sure that it's not Lookup. It's set vhost to files.lookup take TryHackMe. This one, this vulnerable. Send the internet payload. We have matter per session. Let's type shell or just wait for a second. Yes, it's a session whereby www data. We have a shell. Let's stabilize with Python. See, import pty pound /bin/bash. Remember to use first those single quotes and then double quotes so it won't get mixed up in process. Alright, we have everything here. Now we can go to cd home and see what are the users. We have the user think. Because we can't run anything with sudo elf, then search for suid. Find /type close out /f/herb close 0400. Yep, yeah, in this type file. Type -type equals term close 0400 and all the errors to develop device null. But because I forgot the command, let's just run it. Happens sometimes. Python 3-on HTTP server all HTTP paste and 95201 port 8000 HTTP paste.shell bash. Discover and scanning. It's gonna run for a while, but we're gonna stop on a place where it shows us SUID and SGID. Add cache for a while. It's Ubuntu, exploit suggester, running Swisses. Alright, we're almost done. Somewhere there or not really. Let's see what we have now, maybe. Yes, we saw it. A bit up. You see, here is one unknown SUID binary called user admin pwm. Let's go to cd/user/admin and let's run pwm. Running ID command to extract username and user ID. ID data, passwords not found. So, come back. TryHackMe. Lookup. Yes. Right now, as we see, this command takes ID, runs command ID, takes the output, and then displays file.passwords from a home directory. Let's see if our thing contains one, and yes, it does. There is a thing that's right now I have this ID binary ready. Let's show it. Cat ID. It just echoes us something that looks like as if it was a real ID result from fake. You can get those UIDs and GIDs from /etc/password file. But now let's just go to /temporary. Now I can close my shell. No. I can do upload ID. Complete it. Now when I type in shell, I should have it somewhere there. Yeah, Python 3-c import gty.spawn /bin/bash. Yep, here it is. It's called ID. Let's copy this. Let's move it from here to temporary. Then yes, there is. Let's also add here execute permission. Now it's all done. The last thing we do is to modify our path variable. Export to start with /temporary and then the rest of the path. Then we can go to cd user admin and run pwm. Can't create ID. Permission denied. What do you mean permission denied? You see? It ran us user ID and not the real ID command. Let's go to /temporary and check what's wrong with this file. Cat ID. Yes, that's something wrong. We can just rerun this command here. Copy, paste. And now running /user/admin/pwm gives us this. It's a word list of different passwords that user think probably uses. We can use them to brute force the SSH. I saved them all in SSH word list, and by verbosing and other stuff, we can exploit the SSH. Let's separate it, and yeah, you see this, and this is the password for SSH. Let's log into SSH. Think at copy. Yes, I know this host. Copy password. I copied it wrong, as I see. Copy, paste it, and right here we have the user flag. Now time for the root. Sudo L. We can execute look binary as root, because look is used to search for files, if I recall correctly. You can just something like this: user bin look /root /root / let's maybe read bashrc. So we don't refer like directly, but yes, it allows us for unrestricted file read. If we replace bashrc with root.txt, we're gonna get the flag. I got this payload from G2FO bins. Let's go to this website. And let's wait. This has, because it has to load. Then here type look. Click on sudo. Have a little info. Yes, it reads data from files. And you can use it here. Here payload, copy, paste it, adapt. And that's it. Machine is successfully hacked. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe learned something new. Sub to my channel. Leave a like. Leave some positive comment. And yeah, clear out the notification buttons so you can stay updated on all my newest uploads. That's right about it. See you next time.